Hewitt hydraulic lifts offer push-button convenience and remote control operation, with capacities ranging from 4,400 pounds up to 24,100 pounds. All lifts have corrosion-resistant, all-aluminum frames and include a locking water-resistant chest for housing the hydraulic pump and control system, with power options including 12-volt, 24-volt, and 220-volt depending on model weight capacity. A reinforced carpeting tilting bunk comes standard on models 4,400 pounds through 10,100 pounds, with aluminum rubber bunks coming standard on 12,100 pounds through 24,100 pound models. Welded V-plates help prevent swaying. Our 2.5-inch aluminum cylinders are standard on our hydraulic lifts with the exception of the 10,100 pound and 12,100 pound, which come with standard 3-inch steel with triple chrome shafts. All cylinders have long-lasting seals with scrapers designed for underwater use. Hewitt hydraulic lifts can be converted to pontoon lifts and PWC lifts, and Hewitt offers many additional options and accessories for your hydraulic lift.